beysmashers. So guys, today we have ultra cognite C3. So this is Beyblade burst evolution, and I know it is late because due to some that this situation. So yeah, this is Ultra Chronos. The blader is Kuza Ackerman, Takara Tomi. Let's look at back at the box. Back at the box, as you can see, this is Ultra Chronos. This is DR13, and then TB04. It's like the Bronzers one, and this is attack and stamina mode. They have attack and stamina mode, and yeah, there's like that, just combos. This took me 749, but here 749, but I got it in 6 something. I don't know. So yeah, guys, this is Takara Tomi, real fun school. Okay, let's open it then. Okay, guys, let's unbox it. Yeah, the packaging in here is really good. Okay, there we go. We have the instructions, the stickers, this winder for the launcher, aka the worst launcher ever. There we go. Let's keep this away. For launcher. Now we're gonna look at the pieces first. We're gonna go for the energy layer. There we go. So here's the energy layer. Also cognite. So here it is. This is now in stamina mode. Now we're gonna do like that, and when we get another click, it's now in attack mode. As you can see, the blades are like now in here, but yeah, when you do like that, the blades are gone. So yeah. Okay. Oh shit, man. This is DR31. This is the Valtrex, I guess. What is it? Valtrex disc. Yeah, this is Valtrex disc. It's the same. And last but not least, this. Yeah, it took me only 1 month to find it actually. But it's really rare though in India. This is the TB04. It's like yeah, it's same like the Bronzers. This is in stamina. This is in attack. So yeah, let's put this together. Here we go. This is ultra cognite in stamina mode. Let's do some test spins. Let's go. Oh yeah, before doing some test spins, let's put the stickers. Here we go. Now, I've not done the stickers yet. We'll do soon. Should I show you guys the stickers? No, it'll take too much time. Here we go. This one is done. So my sticker is done. My sticker is done. Now let's hear the clicks. Okay. So yeah. Let's put this out first, and let's go. Here it clicks. Let's go, guys. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 4. Okay, the clicks are tight. I mean, not that tight, but tight. Let's go for a test spin. Okay, guys, let's do a test spin in stamina mode. Let it rip. Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Wow. Okay. So far, so good. Now we're gonna do an attack mode. So let's change it. Okay, yeah, change it to attack mode. Here we go. Okay, wow. He's doing great, not too bad. So guys, that's the review for Ultra Cognite. So far it's too good, not too bad. He kind of reminds me of Zillion Zeus, the colors, yeah. So yeah, guys, that's all for today. If you like the video, subscribe, do whatever you want. Yeah. Okay, see you next time, and peace out. Wait. Okay, let's do it again. 3, 2, 1, peace out.